Wagwan lovely family, and your favorite YouTuber here, Grant. As per usual, smash like button for YouTube algorithm, pump the stock, and let's dive in it. So we have some listening. We have three things we're gonna really talk about today in a little short video here. One, regular weekly breakdown. As you can see, the week was not that fantastic. I'm actually heartbroken, but yeah, life. Anyways, we'll jump into it as per usual. We'll show you as you can see, our OG YouTube channel is still in the gutters, but we're in October, second day actually, and the first one comes off in October 27. So alright, isn't me? So can upload back it and get some views and get some more money, isn't me? As per usual, I've made $6.45 this month. This last 28 days. Life is good. But in total, I have made a total of. Let's go to revenues because I know that's what you guys are looking for. And it is $47.55. You can notice a little spike will usually go on and then bam, but we're picking up back regardless, so just have faith in your boy. Alright, get some new subscribers too. Don't forget to say that. Thank you very much for the new subscriber. If you want a new subscribers here and this is like one of your first like live videos to me, just leave a thumbs up and say, oh, we're there, is me. So seeing that out of the way, I've created a second YouTube channel. You guys are family, and personally I've grown this channel where I don't show my face, so I'm just going to stick with that. I'm going to take back this video down, I don't know when, but soon, as long as I get some to replace it essentially. So that, and then I'm going to put it on this channel where basically all I do is react. So my awesome guys, go over to the second channel, the Gargan Show. This is a react. I have a ton of things coming out, and yeah. So with that said, we're going to the boring part after sad week, and basically this trade is supposed to come out. But yeah, so this is what took place. At this point, if you guys been watching this for a while, you guys know why I entered this trade. But as you can see, the market just spiked and decide that it's not going whatever. But looking at it now, because the move already played out, it did just look like a head and shoulder basically. But I was looking at it from a zone to zone perspective. But this is why I do these things, so that we can be good. So I lost the first trade, and of course your boy not losing 2 times in a row. Boy, if you don't, I did it in this one, but look how close this trade was. Look how close. Spread would have killed me. And you never IC market that I use. Thank you very much. Collect my double right there, so easy me and feel nice. So I was going to duplicate the process, and life had other plans for me. So yeah, that's that for Euro JPY. USD JPY. Essentially, it was like the same thing. It was the same thing. So one win. I'm gonna show you why sometimes I just get frustrated more. I tell you the truth. Alright, so the win as per usual, no break, retest push, and he continued throughout, and I followed it all the way up to the tippy top. You see me? It's like 1 to 4 or whatever. And then now I try to do it for the sell, get him look a nice entry, start spike up and thing, go down a profit, go down profit, and then this was the thing, go down a profit. As you can see, he went down in profit. See me? And then go up on the road. Like I don't lie, this wasn't the one who go up on the road. No, I was sleeping, I fell asleep. I'm sorry, yeah, man. Money I make, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. And the way me wake up is my stop loss smiling at me and say, yo guy, what go on? Same thing with this entered. But as me enter the trade here, me end up lose. I'm like, yo, make up your mind, my G. You see me? And yeah, end up lose on here too. So my prediction was not wrong. That is the surety of it. I did go down. I guess entries are, a little difficult. So that's really that for this week. But what I can do though, I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of something I'm working on. Alright? And it probably help you guys. I hope it does. But with that said, I'm gonna just show you the stock analyzer. Hey, it sounds weird saying it all over, but it's here now there. So for all who's in Jamaica, yeah, but yeah, this part would be good for you guys. This is called it tracks everything, essentially. It tracks the closing price, the change as in all in P ratio, 12-month projected P ratio, price to book P ratio, dividend yield for the year. So it shows all of the shares, all the different companies that actually pay a dividend for this year and last year, and who going to pay what and etc and whatever. Alright, if we can notice this, 1% them pay last year, and this year them pay 6%. So it could be a good indicator for look and see whatever. But that's beyond the point for this one. No, what I'm really proud of is the progress tracker, and it looks so colorful and beautiful. But in essence, is you tracking everything. But going out, to the important part, it shows the capital gain and dividend gain different. Alright, capital gain and dividend gain different, and the beauty about it is if you check the levels, it shows all of the stocks them where your average stock price. So when you're dollar cost average, it's higher. So when it's higher than the market current price, it's in red, which means it'll be a good time for buying on them now, cause it'll give a lower average cost per stock. You see me? And then you can benefit a lot from this. So yeah, it show you dividend yield and everything. It show you it show you your total net value. It shows your profit and loss, your net gain, everything, the percentage, portfolio value, and let's say probably even reinvest some money from off your dividends. You put the here and you go in there, so and it subtract it from the net value. So you're basically always on point with your example. This is for a course I'm creating. It's not out yet, couple months time. Big up on yourself. But that is all the sauce I am willing to share with you guys for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. I have a house video coming out Monday video. So smash like button for YouTube algorithm. And with that said, catch you next one. Peace.